Hi, Nat at Shoes of Hollywood again for another unboxing and review. Today we've got a Pleated Delight. This one is a 668 and it's a black satin. It's an open toe shoe and it's 6 inches, so I'm pretty excited. It's very dressy, very pretty. There's that one. So the satin's all across all the straps. And it's got a cute bow at the back of it. Very, very cute. And this bow's actually got a dual purpose. You unclip it and it reveals the zip so that you can hide the zip when you're not wearing it. So the zip's done up, and then we're gonna buckle the bow over. We'll do the same with the other one. It's a bit fiddly just because they're still very new, so. And that's them both on. These would be really good for a night out on the town. They're comfortable, they're not too high either. It's not a very sunny day today, but hopefully the shoes will still pop for you. So we do have some people in the shop today, so we're going to finish this video outside for you. These are really cute shoes. So those were Delight-668 in a black satin. They also come in red as well. So if you're a red fan, then you're not being left out either. But these really are very adorable shoes. And I love the bow. The bow is just so cute. And it's still new, so it's sitting in the box. That's why the bow's a little crunched, but it'll fall out and you're covered. Those ones. Hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, please hit the notification bell to keep up to date with all of our latest reviews as well. Hit subscribe and don't be afraid to leave us a comment to tell us what you thought. And we'll see you next time. Bye.